Y2k hairstyles mix crimped textures, playful pigtails, shiny clips, and soft face frames. And start by brushing the hair, spraying heat protectant, and creating a clean center part for that classic Y2k shape. Crimp small sections for texture. Then divide the hair into 2 equal parts to build the signature Y2k pigtails. Tie mid-level pigtails. Pull out thin face-framing tendrils, and add butterfly clips for that perfect Y2k sparkle.
Tie mid-level pigtails, pull out thin face-framing tendrils, and add butterfly clips for that perfect Y2k sparkle.
For a Y2k cut, trim soft layers and shape the front pieces to create movement without losing length.
For little girls, keep pigtails soft. Use gentle elastics, add light crimping, and decorate with cute pastel clips.